Hello friends, namaste, welcome to my channel. Let's make it lovely. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications. Today I'm back with a beautiful urli or flower bowl that you can make at home with waste items. At the end of this video, I will also briefly show you how you can make a lotus candle holder using the same technique. Now let's get started with our flower bowl. I'm using a takeout container or food parcel container that you get from a restaurant as the base. And for petals, you can use smooth water bottles like this or soft drink tins. I'm using tins because I want to give it metal-like texture on the petals too. You'll see that in a minute. On a cardstock paper or cardboard, draw a petal shape and cut it out to use as a template. Before we start, if you want to do it with metal tins like me, then please use your own discretion and use rubber gloves and safety glasses if you feel necessary. Start by cutting the ends of the tins with utility knife. You can completely use a utility knife or poke a cut with utility knife and then use scissors. Be careful and dispose any small metal pieces that might be falling down. After taking off the ends, cut open the tin and lay it flat. I'm using a paperweight so it won't roll or curl while I trace the petal shape. I could trace 5 petals on each tin. Now cut out the petals one by one using scissors. I used my micro serrated scissors and I never had a problem with sharp edges on my petals. I needed almost 42 petals for my flower bowl, so I cut almost 9 tins for this. Dispose all cut tin items safely. Next, to add textured lines on petals like we see on original brass urlis, I used an old ball pen and scale to mark the lines. Use a cardboard or something soft underneath so the marks would show out prominently. Here you can see how it makes nice texture on both front and back of the petals. Try to mark the lines at same length and angle on all petals for an uniform look. Once you finish this step, the rest of the process is very easy. Using hot glue gun, stick the petals to the back of the container. This is going to make bottom layer of our urli. Try not to stick the petals too close or too far from each other. You could stop with one layer of petals if you prefer, but I wanted a fuller look like brass urli, so I added 2 layers. After finishing this layer, turn the bowl to the front and add the next layer. This container I'm using has a little raised edge, so it gave perfect angle to my second layer of petals and gave that 3-dimensional look. I used 2 dots of hot glue, one on the inner edge and one on the raised edge, to stick this second layer of petals. Start by placing the petals in between the 2 petals of the bottom layer. This is how beautiful it looks all around. Now to paint this urli, I'm using gold spray paint. Follow the instructions on your spray paint. First, I spray painted the back side of the Urli and then covered the sides all around. After it dried enough to touch, I turned it to the front and painted all around. Once that is dried, I gently placed my bowl on its side at the corner of my cardboard box and painted in between the petals. Now let it dry completely. Our Urli is almost ready. I'm using this gold lace I have to cover the inside unfinished edge. Using hot glue gun, stick the lace around the inner edge. Our beautiful Urli is ready. Since Diwali is right around the corner, I'm going to show you how I styled my Urli. I added some white and gold beads into the water, some flowers and candles. Add any extra candle motifs and string lights you have to add little more glow around. Now just light the candles and enjoy. I totally love how beautiful and elegant this Urli or flower bowl turned out, and I love the fact that it was made out of waste items at home. Next, coming to the candle holder, I made this almost 6 years ago and posted it on my blog. It's made similar to Urli, so I thought I'll share this idea as well. I just used a little different petal shape and texture for this. And I used cork tin bottom as base and stuck the petals in 3 layers. After I was satisfied with the look, I spray painted it gold. This candle holder needs very few petals compared to Urli and so can be made faster than the Urli. It looked beautiful in the candlelight glow during the night. I hope you like these unique Diwali decoration ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share.